Don't you want to get settled?
I don't live here.
You moved?
About a month ago.
Then what? Are you doing drugs again? We can do another rehab.
I told you, Maury, I no longer try to heighten or dull my senses artificially. I'm really a new person.
And where exactly does this new person live?
This is where I sleep. I gathered leaves for the mattress, but you wouldn't believe how comfortable it is.
What are you eating?
Future is in the ground. I planted seeds. I want to live clean. I'm not a burden out here.
Burden.
See the birds? I sit. I see snakes. There's a beaver. You believe that, Maury? A beaver? I'm good, Maury.
What, were you afraid to call again for cash?
No. I want to try having less. See what my life would be like without all the stuff, noise.